Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change Coinbase account password. In order to change your Coinbase account password, first of all, you need to log into your account. So for that, enter in your email address and then a password associated or registered to your Coinbase account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and in the upper right hand side corner, you'll be able to see a try bar icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, a menu page pops up, and from the list, you'll need to click on settings. As soon as you click on settings, you'll be taken to the profile page, and under it you'll be able to see the info regarding your account detail. And right in between you'll be able to see an option as change password. So click on change password button located in the right hand side corner. Next page, in order to verify your identity, you might be asked to enter in your old password or your current password. Only then you'll be able to retype in or reset your password. So once you're done entering all of these information, if you have enabled two-step verification, then confirm it by entering the verification code and then click on the confirm button in order to change the password. After that, you'll be notified through an SMS or an email that the password has been changed, and along with that, you'll also be logged out of all the devices that you're currently logged in. In this way, you can change or reset your password on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.